Do you think there's been a shift in how we understand how human health is dependent on ecology or the environment?
Yeah, I think there has been a change in the last couple of decades where we've realized that we are the drivers of all of these ecological catastrophes or climate change, and we are starting to reshift the way we see ecology to focus on preserving the environment, and maybe we are starting to realize that we're gonna have to sacrifice or compromise our development or our very comfortable lifestyle that we have to preserve ecology, because maybe we've taken a route that is like a dead end with fossil fuels.
Or redefine in a way.
Yeah, we're gonna have to
I suppose, what you're referring to is the Anthropocene, but
Mm-hmm.
there are win-wins as well. Probably if you're looking at green spaces, you think we're being too catastrophic sometime when we think about health and the environment, or or not enough?
Yeah, I think from what I know from my degree, there is a certain level of alerts that need to be raised, and we do need to. But there are solutions, and no one really knows what's happening. But I think that is the right approach to be catastrophic, and then maybe if it's not that bad, we've saved ourselves. But it's better to realize how big the problem is to tackle it.
Yeah, some of the challenges we face. Do you think it's I don't know, it's possible to look at them from just a disciplinary perspective, or why would you decide that it's or why would you argue that you sort of need this interdisciplinary perspective to understand them?
I mean, I think preserving disciplines as such is important. It's important to have a team of just biologists working on something. But I think what's missing right now, what has been missing, maybe it's starting to develop right now, is the communication between those disciplines, or the idea of having a group of different experts, but then those experts are just unable to talk to each other because they lack the the terminology, the understanding of what the other person is doing. So I think what's missing is interconnectedness between these different disciplines in a neural way, or rhizomatic way, where everyone is able to understand what the other person is doing, and that is impossible to do because one person cannot be a polymath and an expert in every single field. So I think there are degrees like this one that give us this role of communication between all of these experts.
And how do you think that's prepared you for whatever you want to do next, whether it's further study or going to the workplace?
Yeah, I mean, that's something that obviously every final year, everyone that's doing their final year is nervous about. But I think it has given me a lot of skills that, I hope that employers are looking for, and a very wide point of view on the things that I want to study. And maybe the things that I can bring to the table are not as deep as someone that has only focused on one discipline. Mm-hmm. But I think, a Swiss Army knife that has a lot of different tools that can be used in that workplace. So I hope that, but maybe I'll tell you in 5 years whether it worked out or not. But yeah.